Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Pink Floyd. Comfortably Numb. Cool. Alright, let's go. So the song is in B minor, standard tuning. Yeah, so it starts with B minor. That's 2. Starting on A string, 4, 4, 3. So B minor for the intro. When you start singing, you go to A major. 1, 2, 3. G major. Let's play that like this. G major. So third finger and pinky. And mute the A string. And then we want to do a passing note down to the E minor. E minor 7. 1, 2. Pinky on 3rd fret. B. And now when we get back, it's not going to be a B minor anymore. It's going to be a B add sus. Forever. No more B minor. So that's, instead of playing B minor, just lift up this guy here. That's gonna be your B add sus. 2, 3 B, A major, D major, passing note, E minor. I hear one guitar that's constantly doing this. Can play. Alright, chorus. We're gonna go to D major. That's 1, 2, 3. D major. A major. 2 times. Passing note to C major, 2nd fret A string, that's a B, to C major, 1, 2, 3, G major, C major, D major, A major. That's gonna take us to that big guitar solo. That's the same chords as the chorus. And now, end of the chorus part, comfortably now. parts for the song. So let's review. It starts with B minor, the intro, and then the first verse: B minor, A major, G major, passing note F sharp, E minor 7, and then it's B add sus, forever. Okay, and then chorus: D major, A major, D major, A major, passing note C G, C G. That happens 2 times, and ends with A, comfortably numb, passing note C, G, and D. Cool. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Awesome tune, and fun to play on the acoustic guitar. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take care.